Jan Ramsander, the program lead at Innovate Durban, and I'm so excited to be here today with Lloyd Govender from BORDA, who is on site in the Newlands Marshu DEWA Center, and I'm excited to be joined also by two of our innovators, Samira and Tinashe, who are part of our startup support program. They are here just to gain some insight in terms of what the project is doing and how they can get involved. Our innovators work very closely or very aligned to projects around sanitation, renewable energy, as well as other environmental issues affecting us locally as well as globally.
This is the Newlands Marshu DEWA site based in Durban, and it services 84 households. This DEWA also serves as a research site for students to come in and to conduct research that can help us improve DEWA. So DEWA makes use of a settling chamber, an anaerobic baffle reactor, an anaerobic filter, a vertical flow constructed wetland and a horizontal flow constructed wetland as our model 1. We then found that using 2 vertical flow constructed wetlands assisted with achieving the national discharge standards as set aside in the national regulation. So DEWA is a solution. It's a way of treating wastewater and providing dignity to people without the need to add in chemicals or without the need to harm the environment and without the need of electricity, which is also another crisis in our country. So the impact of DEWA is that it's not a solution for just an area of less fortunate people. It can be done on a golf course, it could be done in a built-up area, it could be done for a high-rise building. It's treating wastewater, domestic wastewater. I mean, the wastewater, it's common to us all. We all drink water, we have a few meals, we go to the toilet. It's the same thing. And there's innovative ways to do it. It's not a difficult solution to implement. The chambers are concrete, the sand filters are masonry, there's sand in there, and it just needs to be a specific grading, all of which we assist with. The civil construction can be done by any qualified civil engineer. The construction can be done by any approved builder. It's just something that you can implement. It just needs to drive by stakeholders to implement DEWA. Right now we're working on our discharge permit. We've got a water use license in the form of a general authorization from the city to implement DEWA or 2 new DEWA. At Westville North, there's a development called Banana City. It's informal settlements being converted into formal housing for families in that area. And they will be serviced by DEWA. At that DEWA, we will be testing compliance to the national discharge standards. And through implementing this Newlands Marshu DEWA and getting students in to test the different theories or to improve the system, we're confident that we will meet those standards. What DEWA can be beautifully made to fit into an environment. You can create a multi-purpose court on the ABR and settler, which is combined. You can even convert the wetlands into a nice garden. It's something that can be aesthetically pleasing, that can make a difference in a community, not just be a little concrete structure that people look at and think, well, in the city someone doesn't have this. They just flush their toilet and walk down the street and they'll never see where it goes, but we have this. You know, there's social issues to this. So we try to cater to all of that, to provide people with a solution and to ensure that when we install a DEWA, they're happy that it's aesthetically pleasing.